Useful life hacks for cleaning your home? Have you heard of using bread for picking up tiny shards of broken glass? Use a thick piece of bread. You'll find this method is often safer than using your hands to pick up glass and is incredibly effective for those tiny bits that might fly everywhere if you were to sweep. Ever tried lemons for soap scum? It's nature's own cleaner, perfect for tackling hard water stains. Speaking of lemons, for a fresh and fragrant microwave, try steaming a bowl of water with a few slices of lemon. It loosens up food splatters and eliminates odors instantly. Baking soda and vinegar can work wonders on a dirty oven too. This powerful duo can combat even the toughest grime. Hate getting those sales papers in the mail? Use them to clean your windows. It's a recycling trick that will leave your glass gleaming. Start using these life hacks today and make cleaning your home a breeze. Do you know these?